We're going to take a look at the iPhone's phone application. If we open the phone app, here we'll be taken to our keypad. This is where we can begin entering phone numbers and making phone calls. If we start typing in the phone number that we want to call, you can see that it automatically formats it for an area code. If we press the Add to Contact button in the left-hand corner, we can create a new contact or add this number to an existing contact. If we want to erase numbers, just press the Delete button. If we go to the Voicemails tab, here we can see all the voicemails we have. We can listen to it through a speaker, or we can even change our greeting to the default one or record a new custom greeting. If we press the Contacts tab, here we can see our contacts book. We can scroll through our contacts or scrub through them on the right hand side. We can even add a new contact by pressing the plus button in the top right hand corner. If we press the Recents tab, here we can see all the recent calls. We can filter between all calls or just our missed calls. If we press the Favorites tab, here we'll be taken to our favorite phone numbers. We can add a favorite by pressing the plus button in the top right hand corner, selecting a number, and we can see we can select voice call or FaceTime call. If we press edit, we can delete or rearrange our favorites.